2-minute conviction today is learn by sinking rather than thinking. This is a phrase I've just read recently from my good friend Peter Botros, who's written a new book called Reversing the Decline. And it's a reference to a really well-known story in the Bible where one of the disciples, Peter, gets out of his fishing boat and he attempts to walk to Jesus on water. And he pulls it off for a few steps before fear grips him and he starts to sink. But as a masterful teacher, Jesus didn't want Peter to stay in the boat where it was comfortable and safe and try and learn about the power of his faith by just thinking about it. He wanted him to take action. And so learning by sinking rather than thinking. It's this call to experiential learning. In the practical world, it's about having a go. It's the Nike axiom, just do it. As leaders, I want to encourage you that we can have analysis paralysis. We can sit in our comfort zones and we can think long and hard about what we could do, what we should do, what we might do. Sometimes we just have to do it. Every day we get invited into opportunities to try something new. And if we continuously make the excuse that we've never done it before, or we don't know how to do it, or failure is not an option, then we rob ourselves of some of the most amazing learning opportunities. And so my 2-minute conviction, learn by sinking rather than thinking. Even if you get wet, even if you do go under, be assured you are going to learn some amazing things from it. Fall forwards. And so my encouragement today is have a go, try something new, be creative, take some risks, learn by sinking, not just thinking. Have a great week.